It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of solving one-step equations that involve division. So let's go ahead and get started. We have x divided by 8 equals 3. As a reminder, when we're trying to solve these equations, our goal is to make the left side of the equation x or 1x. And we have a method for doing that, and that method is to apply the inverse operation. In this case, the inverse operation, because x is being divided, the inverse operation is multiplication. So let's go ahead and do this. So we are going to multiply by 8 on both sides because multiplication is the opposite of division. Okay, when we do that, we know that we actually have a 1 underneath this 8, so we're just going to go ahead and multiply. We have 8 times x, which is 8x. We have 1 times 8, which is 8. And then we have 3 times 8, which is 24. All right, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times x is x, so x equals 24. We should always check our answer to make sure that we did this right. Everywhere we see x, I'm going to put in 24 divided by 8 equals 3. 24 divided by 8 does equal 3, so that is correct. Next problem. Same idea. We have x divided by 10 equals 7. We are going to apply our inverse operation. As a reminder, since x is being divided by 10, the inverse of division is multiplication, so we're going to multiply by 10 here. What we do to one side in math on an equation, we do to the other side of the equation, so we're multiplying by 10 on both sides. As a reminder, there's a secret 1 underneath this 10, and now we go ahead and we multiply our fractions, numerator to numerator, so we get 10x, denominator to denominator, which is 10, and 7 times 10 is 70. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times x is x, so x equals 70. Once again, we're going to want to double check that we've solved this correctly. So everywhere I see x right here, I'm substituting in 70, and then I'm rewriting my equation. 70 divided by 10 is, in fact, 7, so we've solved this correctly. All right, and that is how you solve one-step equations involving division. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more math videos.